When was this? That's nothing.
You like the deep bottom though?
Yeah. That's just funny. Alright boys, well we are here finally guys. If you guys are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. We are back at it again with another car meet. I don't even gotta do none of that shit. My shit's already loud. Damn, a lot of cars pulled up to the homie Blast F80's car meet, guys. Stay tuned for July 10th. It will be my first ever Goofer pop-up meet, so stay tuned for that. But again, there's a lot of freaking cars. There's a lot of freaking people. Well, not really. Is that really?
What's going on, buddy?
How you doing? How you doing?
I fuck with it white, bro. This is clean.
Oh yeah, that's right. Last time you seen it was with the Rav, huh?
Yeah.
All right. God damn. We are. Oh my God. What was that?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know.
What the? How? All this? I was like, what the hell happened, bro? That scared the shit out of me. It's good. Alright guys, well we are finally here. Look at this beauty right here. Damn. This color, guys. This is a color, it's not a wrap. But we are here. Let's go say what's up to the homies. Damn, that boy's with a bike now? What's up, boys? What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Nice to see you too. What's up, bro? What's up, my boy? How you doing? Yeah, where'd you get that?
It was that lazy dog. We saw it at the first spot, bro. I
Ain't anything, dude. I'm hella.
Yeah, same, bro. I've been on the road for like 2 hours already.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. It's like my first time seeing the homie Sasha's car, guys. It's an M5. What is this, 2025? 2026. Damn. Okay.
But I had a
Bro, this thing is so sick. It's like the first one I've ever seen in person. Wow, the interior is insane, bro. Baller spec, huh?
Dude, once I saw this shit, I was like, I gotta get it.
Yeah, especially the Frozen.
Yeah.
This is a new bumper, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some chick randomly hit me in the parking lot, dude.
Damn, I saw that, bro. That shit was fuck. When you were scratching onto it, I was like, bro, what is you doing? Like you know, the branding is like, it went too far.
It went too far, yeah, no. All the people in the comments were all pissed.
I know, they were mad. Dude, this car is so sick.
What a good opportunity to do that, though.
Yeah,
right?
no,
That
it
video
was.
got like
It was.
50K views.
Yep. It went viral, bro. That shit was sick.
Hey, who's the owner of this bike? Hey, where's Jackie or Katie? Motherfucker,
Wow.
bike here, you know?
We gotta got some free shit. We gotta go back. And he both y'all ain't saying no, so you was getting out of bitch and you was taking the shit, huh?
Nah, bro. I was not trying to fuck up his game and shit, so I was just there like.
No, I don't believe it.
Oh God.
You look like you light on your feet right now.
As you all know,
You look like you could.
You guys gonna walk up there? Cause we're not driving.
You ain't trying to speed walk? I'll dog you in a speed walk. See that form right there? Get the form. Ooh, see, first quick step on Hall of Fame, buddy.
No, I think it's
No, literally, we went in. Everyone was cool. We come out. There's a cop. Chilling right there. Everyone's leaving. We were like, what the fuck?
Oh, look at this beauty though. This thing is so sick. Damn, the interior too is like a matching red with the outside paint. Dang. This thing is so sick, bro. Guys, I was literally looking at every single car here, and I did not see this one right here. This one is freaking crazy, bro. Look at this. This thing is literally on the ground. That is insane, bro. Like forged carbon. Insane, bro. Look at these tail lights. Forged carbon, everything. This thing is literally on the ground. Bro, must be nice. I really need me a Supra, guys. Damn, that exhaust setup is crazy. Boys, what we're just doing right now, there's a lot of cars pulling up. Cars pulling up, cars are leaving. Damn, nice way, brother.
Hey, you brought my radios?
He said you brought my radios.
I'm gonna follow you home and grab them. Cause you never fucking remember, huh? Fuck you too. I'm gonna follow you.
Bro, that thing is so sick.
Press that nigga.
This thing is sick. Hey KJ, let's hear it. That's just fucking loud, bro. I need one, bro. That thing is so sick.
We're winning in the race, though. We're winning.
Hey, let me see some flames real quick. Wow, that thing sounds crazy, bro. I saw the flames, but it's daytime. You can't see it. Next time.
At night.
I know, they're going crazy. I've seen it last time.
When's yours?
Friday, yeah, nighttime. Yep.
There you go.
Pull up. Newark, yep.
All
Alright, brother. Yes, sir. Now, bro, my ears are destroyed. Sheesh.
Hey, John, go like this. Oh, fuck, this is hella rough.
Oh, see? You gotta get the slip and slide. Alright, my dude, I'm out, man.
Hey, yo. Alright, boys, so like you guys can see, my homie Victor's car meet was freaking crazy. There was a lot of cars, a lot of loud ass cars. The homie KJ Rabs pulled up with the crazy Durango. You guys know that car is freaking loud, bro. He destroyed my ears when he left. But other than that, guys, we're filling up the car right now with some fuel, and then we're gonna head out home. Stay tuned for Friday, July 10th, guys. It will be my first pop-up meet ever. I hope to see you guys there. If you guys pull up, come and say what's up. After the Goofers pop-up meet, we will be driving to LA after that, guys. Literally, like right after my pop-up meet's over, I will be traveling with the homie Victor or John to LA. The homie Victor decided to get a spot inside of the show with our booth. So, and boys will be at Spockham this year. And my car, unfortunately, won't be there this year, guys. But it will be back in LA in September for Beamer Invasion. So I need a lot of prepping to do on this car, guys. Like, it needs a new wrap, it needs new paint on the wheels, it needs a lot of work so we can take it to Beamer Invasion 2026. But other than that, the car is done getting filled up. If you guys are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think about this camera and lens, because this is an entire new rig that I'm filming with. So enough talking. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's go.
I just had a